Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Windows Store or Microsoft Store when it says something happened on our end. All right, so first up, go ahead and go to your search bar and type in System Updates. Okay, click on Check for Updates, and once done, go ahead and click on this Check for Updates button. Okay, if there are available updates, go ahead and download and install it, and once done, go ahead and restart the computer, and after that, check if it works. Now, if that will work, don't worry. Go to your date and time right here at the bottom right. If you can't see it, just type in here, use search bar. In the search bar, date and time. Okay, click on date and time settings. Right here, I'm going to maximize this one. Make sure that you click on set time zone automatically. Click on it, and then set time automatically is turned on as well. And then just go ahead and click on sync now. All right, once that's done, close this one. Go ahead and go to search bar and type in Store. Okay, Microsoft Store will open. Just right click on it and click on App Settings. Okay, and here click on Terminate. Once done, scroll down and click on Reset. Okay, reset. Wait for the process to finish. And once that's done, just go ahead and restart your computer. And after that, go ahead and check it out. Okay, now if that still won't work, again, open up your search bar and type in CMD. Go to the right side and click on Run as Administrator. Click on Yes, as there will be a pop-up. Now go ahead and type in sfc/scan now. All right, hit on Enter. Wait for the process to finish. Okay, as it says here, this process will take some time, so just patiently wait. And once this process is finished, just go ahead and close the command prompt. And then once done, restart your computer once more. And after that, everything should work perfectly fine. Now that is it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.